Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China seems not to care what the international community thinks of them. But first, the US Fed boss has been testifying in Congress and has said they're not contemplating any rate rises and they're a long way from reaching either their employment or inflation goals. But he does see hope for a return to more normal conditions this year. These remarks have taken some of the steam out of the bond market rate increases. American retail sales slipped again last week, and compared to the same week a year ago, the gain was trimmed back. However, a reduction in consumer sentiment has not shown up in the latest and widely watched survey, which is actually quite bullish, especially for the coming year, coming in better than expected. And the latest Fed regional survey, this one for the Mid-Atlantic states, shows little change from their healthy expansion there. New data, including indexes tracking electricity consumption, operating rates at factories and traffic congestion indexes, show that China's industrial production is resuming significantly faster than previous years after the week-long Spring Festival holiday. China's applying a China First policy to its southern neighbours, choking off water flow in the Mekong River and the 4 countries that rely on it, and that is reinforcing animosity in the region. And China now has 11 upstream dams on the river and is able to have a severe impact on Thailand, Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam. And in Geneva, the Chinese foreign minister announced sensational claims of genocide, forced labour and religious oppression against the Uyghurs and other ethnic minorities in his country. As Trump taught, the big lie is an effective propaganda technique to deflect and confuse. This pushback comes after Beijing said it would fix the election processes in Hong Kong so that the right result always happens. And after more satellite evidence that China is building many more military installations on reefs in Philippine waters. The US Treasury 10-year yield is up 1 basis point today at 1.36%. And the price of gold will start down $4 at $1,808 an ounce. Oil prices are up by about 50 cents and are now just on $61.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just under $64.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens at 73.3 US cents, unchanged from this time yesterday. Against the Australian dollar, we're holding at 92.7 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're still at 60.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is still at 74.3. And the Bitcoin price is now at $47,418 and are down 11% from this time yesterday, on top of the 7% drop the day before. Volatility has been extreme over the past 24 hours, at plus or minus 11%. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.